Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 5 not-so-known symptoms of high blood sugar. Prediabetes and type 2 diabetes develop if the body does not produce enough insulin or loses sensitivity to it. Insulin resistance develops. Common symptoms of the disease include increased thirst, increased urination, and severe hunger. Diabetes consultant at London Bridge Prash Clinic. You have listed lesser-known signs of the disease that are not associated with diabetes. We are talking about a constant feeling of exhaustion and fatigue, blurred vision, frequent infections, thrush or skin rashes are constantly aggravated, headaches, constant itching. It is very important that diabetes is diagnosed as soon as possible, as it increases the risk of some fatal complications, the specialist emphasized. Overweight and physical inactivity are factors in the development of type 2 diabetes mellitus. In addition, it can develop due to high blood cholesterol levels and persistent high blood pressure. It must be remembered that in the case of insufficient control of diabetes, the risk of myocardial infarction, stroke, kidney disease, impotence, visual impairment, including blindness, gangrene increases. Diabetes is already the highest risk of cardiovascular diseases. It is the highest risk of complications of diabetes in the eyes, kidneys. This is a diabetic foot and life expectancy, and the quality is completely different for this person, the doctors say. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.